Hello everyone, welcome to this UCAT preparation advice video. So in this video, we're going to think about the different types of averages, how you work each one out, and what types of questions you should expect in the UCAT. And remember that for these types of questions, you can be given quite large data sets or tables, so it's really important that you understand how to find the answers quickly. There are three different types of average that you need to keep in mind, and these are the mean, the mode, and the median. So let's go through each one. So starting off with the mean, you find this number by dividing the sum of all the values by the number of values in the dataset. Then we've got the mode, so this is the number that occurs most commonly in the dataset. And finally, we've got the median. So this is the number that's in the middle when you arrange the dataset from lowest value to highest value. Let's consider the mean first. So if you had a set of four numbers, for example, let's take 5, 6, 7, and 8. You would add all of those numbers up, and in this case that gives you 26. And then you divide that number by the number of values in that dataset. So in this case, we had four numbers. So 26 divided by 4 is going to give you 6.5. So the mean of that set of numbers is 6.5. So the median is traditionally found by writing out all the numbers in order and then selecting the middle number. But this can take far too long. So alternatively, what you can do is add up the number of values in the set, add 1, and then divide by 2. That's going to give you the median number. So for example, if you had a data set of 5 values, then the median would be the third value. And that's because 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And if there are an even number of values in the data set, that just means that you take the middle two values and you find their mean to then find the median. And if that's a little bit confusing, don't worry. All it means is that you add those two values up and you divide by 2. And finally, the mode. So the mode is also known as the modal term, and this is the simplest of the averages. So all you need to do is look for which number appears the most often in a dataset. So for example, if you were given a list of numbers such as 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the mode would be 3 because 3 appears the most in that dataset. Now we're going to go through a simple practice question on averages that you should be able to answer fairly quickly. So I'll pop the question on the screen here, and I've also got the question down here in front of me so that we can work through it together. So a group of 5 boys are wondering what their average time to run 100 meters is. Tom can run the race in 13.2 seconds, Tim in 12 seconds, Tris in 11.5 seconds, Troy in 14 seconds, and Timbo in 12.5 seconds. Due to their recent interest in the concept of median versus mean, the boys want to know the median time, not the mean. This question requires you to realise that there are 5 data points. So that means that the median is going to be the third value in the set, because as we discussed earlier, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in this case, the third number in the set is Timbo's time. So Timbo runs the race in 12.5 seconds, which means that the median is 12.5. And this type of question should only take you around 20 seconds to complete. In this video, we've gone through the 3 different types of average, so the mean, the median, and the mode, and we've also gone through a practice question together, so hopefully you feel more confident in answering these average questions in the future.